So literally, if I can do it, you can too. So let's talk about, is mind-blowing the strategies. Remember, I talk about different baskets. You need to have, if you're close-minded, only do things one way, you're missing on a lot. I did a wrap that I made $2.5 million. 7 investors had gone to see this man, and nobody could put it together. Nobody. They didn't know how to do it. I'm here to teach all these different areas, all these baskets. So when you get this deal that does not fit in this basket, you will know what basket to put it in. And it might be a basket that you don't want, but you know someone that has that basket, and you will still get paid.